You ever been taking attendance in the morning and you get that kid who's really pushes your buttons, that one that makes it hard to like them, and you're taking attendance and they're absent, right? Right? You've done it. You're like going, oh yeah, right? And then they come in late. That's the kid I want you to change your lens. This year, I want you to look at that kid who gives you the most trouble. And I want you to say, you know what? I'm going to figure out what's driving the machinery here. I'm going to get to the why before I get hung up on the what. And how do I hold this kid accountable, but teach them a skill? Again, if you got a detention, if you got suspended, you did some time, right? When I was in 8th grade, I got in a lot of trouble because your job as an adolescent is to push the limits, and I did. In my detention, I had to sit in a room after school, and I had to memorize the label of a can of Snow's clam chowder. I don't know why, to this day, I really can't look at Snow's clam chowder if I happen to see it out the corner of my eye at the Walmart. And I wonder why. And I think my teacher was just grabbing at some way to make it so uncomfortable for me that I would suddenly learn the skill I needed to attend in 8th grade. And I would want to learn everything that he wanted to teach me. And I never got there. So when I think about logical consequences, folks, I'm always thinking about how do I hold these kids accountable, but also teach them a skill?